Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to draw a radius on Google Maps. So let us get in. We're going to jump into google.com/maps. And if you have an account, you will log in automatically. Here you want to go and have a look for your address. So we've got this hostile paintball. We're going to click on that and it'll bring up this window here. Now if you go down to the left hand side, you'll see the actual address and we have the option to copy the address. Now we've copied it and we're going to jump into a new tab and we're going to look for map developers. Now this is mapdevelopers.com. We're going to open up map developers and they've got a map tool here on this menu and we're going to tap on that. Here you can also see the drop down menu and you will find draw a circle tool, and this will now allow you to draw that radius. So we're going to go ahead now and you are going to enter the address right over here at the top. So that address that we copied earlier on, there it is there. We can also define how wide we want that radius. So we're going to just do a 10 miles. You can also change that to kilometers, feet, and meters, and then you can change the look and feel of the circle. So you can change the color and then you can also change the border style. We're going to now go ahead and tap on new circle, and that will basically now activate our radius around this address that we've just put in. Now to better see this, you can just go over to the right hand side, you can toggle it into full screen, and then you can hold in control and you can go ahead and zoom in with your mouse wheel. And here we are. We are now in our radius, and this is now the radius that we have created. If you enjoyed this video, you can drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.